In this video, I'm going to show you how to collect tax documents and signatures securely, fast, easy, and stress-free. Stick with me because I'll be walking you through the best practices for this process. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to get this done without compromising your security. First, let's talk about why this matters. Collecting tax documents and signatures securely is crucial for protecting sensitive personal information. If you're using email or physical copies, you risk exposing that data. But don't worry, there's a more secure way to handle this, and I'm going to show you how. You want to use a secure platform that's designed for collecting these documents without opening yourself up to fraud or mistakes. One tool I've tested personally is our software, which is going to make this whole process a lot easier. But if you're looking for a free trial, stick around until the end of the video, because I have an exclusive offer for you in the description below. Let's start with tax documents. When you're collecting tax documents securely, make sure you're sending them over through an encrypted platform. Do not use standard email or unencrypted cloud storage for anything important. There's always the risk that these systems could be hacked and your personal data could be exposed. The best way to collect tax documents securely is to have your clients or customers upload their documents directly to a secure, encrypted portal. This ensures that everything stays safe, and you also have an easy way to track the documents that have been submitted. Now, when it comes to signatures, the process is very similar. You don't want to be printing, signing, and scanning documents back and forth. Not only is this time-consuming, but it's also unsafe. Instead, use an electronic signature tool that meets all the security requirements. The software we'll be using for this will let you sign and collect signatures digitally in a legally binding way. This means no more worrying about lost paper forms or unsecure methods of gathering signatures. You can simply send a link for someone to sign, and they can do it right from their device with no need to download anything or print anything out. Both tax documents and signatures are time-sensitive and require accuracy. This is why it's so important to use secure software. With our software, everything is automated, encrypted, and legally compliant, saving you time while ensuring your documents are protected. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, how can I start using this secure software? Well, I've got a special offer for you. If you check the description below, I've linked an exclusive free trial for my viewers. This gives you full access to the software I'm recommending, and you can follow along with me to make the process even easier. To recap, when you're collecting tax documents and signatures securely, always use an encrypted, secure platform to prevent any security risks. Using the right software ensures the security of sensitive information while making the whole process more efficient. And if you want to follow along with the software I've used, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial linked in the description. The key takeaway here is that the right tools and security measures make all the difference. Protect your sensitive tax documents and signatures by using a secure encrypted platform to get everything done smoothly and safely. Remember, you can start today by taking advantage of the exclusive free trial, and I'll see you in the next video.